I'm gonna show you one of the most famous spots here in Fort Lauderdale. Unbelievable. It's insane tonight.
And you looking teed off like a gold. Rich ain't gotta worry about it. Why we only doing 30, ain't no hurry about it.
So guys, I'm gonna show you one of the most famous spots here in Fort Lauderdale, Elbow Bar. It's around 88 years old. Started back in time, and here we go. It's on the elbow, like on the corner. See here? This is the elbow, right now.
The Elbow Room was built in the 1938. And it's very casual bar and known for blues and rock music.
Unbelievable. It's insane tonight. I don't know what's going on in town, but it's so beautiful. The vibe, as you see, guys, gorgeous. So I want to let you know, Las Olas, it's a Spanish name, and mean in English, the waves. It's absolutely beautiful here. So for lots of people who doesn't know, on this street every year there is a lot of sports events, lots of music events happen here on this street, and we have one of the biggest yacht show in the world in the city. It's very close by. But I'm going to talk about it later in the video when we go to the Riverwalk. So stay tuned. But yeah, and if you want here like a nice restaurant, lots of coffee shops, a lot of store, whatever you want to buy, you'll find it on the street. It's absolutely beautiful here. So you cannot miss it. The A1A Olas Boulevard. Yes, baby, we are in Fort Lauderdale. I will make sure this shot in my video, I promise.
Yeah.
So how old is your...
He's a baseball player in college.
So
20. Yes.
I
Dude,
got
you're
20
very
I got a
hey,
29-year-old
hey,
boy,
hey.
27, and 23. 23-year-olds.
So this street goes for 2.5 miles, which around 4 kilometers. Beautiful vibe.
And I ended my day in Cafe Ibiza, and the vibe was fire, guys. Enjoy the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video. Ciao.
My maid got a broom. My house got a room for some rooms with a view. I'm driving real slow like I'm running on fumes. I'm driving real slow like I'm running on fumes. 30 on the dash. Yeah, we riding slow, but that money moving fast. Look at all this cash. Yeah, we riding slow, gotta watch this one be passed. Throw some money in the air like you really don't care, oh yeah. But that money moving fast. Throw some money in the air like you really don't care, oh yeah. Yeah, we riding slow, gotta watch this one be passed. I just put your mortgage on my neck, and you looking teed off like a gold. you upset? Why you mad? Why you mad? Tell him why you mad. If you need a loan, you should probably just ask. If you need to get around, I can send a bus pass. I be in my suite, what a bottle must have. Top shelf, everything we elevated, and we just keep on pouring up. Man, I'm glad we made it. Feels so good to be so rich, ain't gotta worry about it. Why we only doing 30, ain't no hurry about it. Bust down for my bust down, carrots and the clarity. They tell me that I'm giving like I opened up a charity.
30 on the dash.